fucking wrong way. It's a dumb shit you get to see. It's a good hog. It's early in the morning. Gotta run and get it. Let's see. 4.5 pounds. Yeah, I weigh.
I've never been at Walmart by myself before. This is kind of scary. We need a life vest and we need a lock for the trailer. That way they don't steal our shit while we're fishing. Isn't shit lovely? This is how you get to inside of EDM concerts for free. Okay, life vest. This seems like it'll work. Oh, they still want that. Hurry, put it on. Dude, this isn't fucking fit me. What? Chest is too big. So we got our lock. We got our chain. I've got the whips in the bag.
We're gonna get it on. You have to take your clothes off if you want to get on the boat.
Oh, fuck. Ah, my feet. So I'm gonna pull you. Watch your pull, watch your pull. Ready?
You don't care, you sure?
Yeah, we gonna launch off. Let's go. Let's put the trolling motor in. Wait, it's not deep enough. This is awesome.
You gotta steer it over.
Hey, I need a rooster tail.
I don't fucking have one.
You don't? This is awesome, dude. This is all we need.
I was fucking with you the whole time. I was fucking with you the whole time. I was doing this to you, eh? Oh man, that shit was funny. Stop. Calm down. Calm down. Dude, you're gonna get that. Stop. Stop. That's a pretty good size one right there. That's a fucking hog on that one. Hi, buddy. Hi. It's waving hi. 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 This is a fucking tank too. Go back in there.
Let's try to see if we can get us a little bass on here, huh?
Oh my god, that's a monster. Oh my god.
Oh my God, I got that on camera. Oh my God, I saw this guy come out. Oh my God. This is huge. Dude, he is massive. That is disgustingly big. Guys, look at that in comparison to Ellie. The size of her leg. Ellie, let me see my phone real quick. I gotta take a picture. Okay, let's let her go. Look at that fish, Ellie. That's big. That's a huge, huge fish. Man. Okay, she's okay. She's good. Bump it. I don't know though. I've seen big bass take little nibbles, so. Oh, right there, brother. I felt it. I felt it. Nope, you're not going away. Right there. Yeah, yeah, brother. Oh man, he's barely hooked too. Oh no, he's hooked. He's hooked good. He's hooked good. Oh man. Look at that. He would have came right off. What do you think? You like that?
Yeah, yeah, another one.
That is a good sized fish. I would say close to 3. Maybe not quite there.
Fish from the worm.
Can I take a picture real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give this right back to you.
Okay.
All right, let's let him go. Say bye, fishy.
Catch another one.
I know, I'm about to. Smell it. Eee, it smells fishy, huh?
Wipe on your shirt.
I don't even know I had that one on.
I took a picture with you, buddy.
You like that thunder color, huh? There you go, buddy. Go, 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 go. Bien. Otro pinche güey, mira. Calm down. Dude, you're gonna hook yourself even worse. Okay? Calm down. Calm down. That's a picture quality, man.
Look at that right there, boy. Barely hooked too. He came right off, right at the end.
Bro, we own a little bit of bitty piece of boat in our country.
Makes me proud to be an American.
Damn, boy.
Howdy, partner.
I'm telling you, boy.
Brother, I reckon today
I'll tell you right now, boy.
was a good day.